Hey, listeners, are you ready to take control of your car buying experience and make smart financial decisions? Introducing the Ultimate Auto Finance Guide, your go to resource for navigating the complex world of auto finance. Whether you're a first time buyer or looking to refinance, this guide has all the tips, tricks, and insider knowledge you need to secure the best deal. Don't miss out on this opportunity to empower yourself and drive away with confidence. Head over to www.ultimateautofinanceguide.com now and grab your digital copy. Trust me, it's the smartest investment you'll make before buying your next car. Welcome back to Drive to Success Mastering Auto Finance, where we break down the complexities of auto financing to help you make smarter financial decisions. I'm your host, John Lewis, and today we'll dive into a crucial topic that affects many, recovering from repossession and bankruptcy. We'll talk about what these setbacks mean for your credit, how to qualify for an auto loan, and highlight some second chance lenders who can help. I've broken today's discussion into 6 segments, so stay tuned as we explore each one. Let's kick things off by talking about repossession. Repossession happens when you fall behind on your car payments and the lender takes the vehicle back. This can happen in 2 ways. First, there's involuntary repossession, where the lender hires a repo agent to seize the vehicle after multiple missed payments, usually over 60 to 90 days. And then there's voluntary repossession, where you choose to return the vehicle to the lender knowing you can't keep up with the payments. While this might save you from some extra repossession fees, it still damages your credit. Both forms of repossession can stay on your credit report up to 7 years, but that doesn't mean all hope is lost. In our next segment, we'll explore how to avoid the scenario before it happens. The best way to handle repossession is to prevent it. If you're struggling to make payments, the first thing you should do is communicate with your lender. Don't wait until you're already behind. Many lenders offer hardship programs such as loan deferrals or payment extensions to help you manage your payments. Another option is refinancing your auto loan to lower your monthly payments. If you're still finding it hard to make ends meet, you can consider selling the vehicle or trading it before defaulting. The key is being proactive. Tighten your budget, eliminate unnecessary expenses, and stay on top of your payments as much as possible. In the next segment, we'll discuss what steps to take if repossession happens despite your best efforts. If you've already experienced repossession, here's what you should do to recover and prepare for your next steps. Understand your rights. Ensure the repossession was carried out legally according to state laws. Manage the deficiency balance. After the lender sells the repossessed vehicle, you may still owe a balance if the sale didn't cover your remaining loan. You can try negotiating with the lender to reduce or settle this amount. Check your credit report. Ensure the repossession is reported accurately and addresses any errors that could further damage your credit score. Once these steps are covered, focus on rebuilding your credit by paying all remaining bills on time and avoid new debt. The more responsible you are with your finances moving forward, the better your chances of securing a loan are in the future. In the next segment, we'll explore bankruptcy and its impact on auto financing. Now, let's shift gears and talk about bankruptcy. When overwhelming debt leaves you unable to make payments, bankruptcy may be an option to get a fresh start. There are 2 primary types of bankruptcy that impacts individuals. First, there's Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which involves selling your assets to pay off debts, with the rest of your eligible debts being discharged. This process takes about 3 to 6 months. The next form of bankruptcy is Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which involves creating a repayment plan, usually over 3 to 5 years, and paying off some or all of your debts through monthly payments. Bankruptcy stays on your credit report for up to 10 years, making it difficult to qualify for loans in the short term. But just like repossession, bankruptcy isn't the end of your financial journey. In our next segment, We'll talk about how you can bounce back after bankruptcy. So, how do you qualify for a loan after facing either repossession or bankruptcy? Here are some important steps to follow. First, rebuild your credit. Whether it's after repossession or bankruptcy, improving your credit score is crucial. Start by paying your bills on time, reduce debt, and maintain a clean credit history. Next, save for a down payment. Lenders are more likely to approve your loan application if you put a down payment with a significant amount up front. It shows you're committed and lowers the lender's risk. Look for second chance lenders. Several lenders specialize in working with borrowers who have recently experienced repossession or bankruptcy. These lenders understand your situation and are willing to give you another chance. In our final segment, I'll introduce you to some of these lenders who can help you get back on the road. Here's a list of second chance lenders that specialize in financing for applicants who have recently gone through repossession or bankruptcy. First on the list is American Credit Acceptance. With a focus on people rebuilding their credit, American Credit Acceptance offers competitive terms to applicants with recent repossession or bankruptcy. Second on the list is Capital One Auto Finance. Capital One is known for being a subprime-friendly lender. Capital One is also open to applicants post-bankruptcy, especially once the bankruptcy has been discharged for a few months. Next is Credit Acceptance. This lender focuses on helping individuals with subprime credit, including recovering from financial setbacks like repossession or bankruptcy. Next is Global Lending Services, another second chance lender that works with borrowers who need a fresh start after financial challenges. Next, there is Santander Consumer USA. They provide flexible finance options for borrowers recovering from bankruptcy or repossession. And last is Westlake Financial. Westlake is a top second chance lender that works with people facing recent repossessions or bankruptcies. Their programs are designed to offer flexible finance options. Remember, even though you might be charged higher interest rates, securing an auto loan after a financial setback is possible. As you rebuild your credit, you may be able to refinance at a lower rate later on. That wraps up today's episode on recovering from repossession and bankruptcy. Financial setbacks don't have to define your future. By taking the right steps to rebuild your credit and working with second chance lenders, you can get back on the road to take control of your finances. If you find this episode helpful, please subscribe and leave a review. For more tools and resources on navigating auto finance, visit my website, www.theultimateautofinanceguide.com. I'm your host, John Lewis, and until next time, remember, always drive to success.
Rolling down the avenue to a jazzy beat, following that rhythm, life's a one-way street. Chasing dreams with passion, every mile's goal. In the world of finance, stories to be told. Catching the horizon with a soulful groove. Navigating numbers, got nothing to lose. Every calculation, every deal we sway. In the realm of autos, we find our way. Drive to success, we're mastering the art. Through the lanes of finance, we set apart. Jazz and soul, where the numbers align. Make your journey smooth with wisdom divine. Hit the keys of knowledge, let the insight play. From leases to purchases, every savvy way. Revving up those engines, zeros turn to ones. In the studio Feel the soul, embrace the jazz. In the auto world, let's razzmatazz. Financial gears shifting smooth and slick. In the podcast lane, we find our tricks. Cruising through the jargon, ain't no mystery. Unlocking all the secrets in auto history. Low ones and rates, they glisten like the star. Drive the distance, no matter how far.
Thanks for sticking around until the end. Before we go, if you're in the market for a new or used car or even thinking about it, you must check out Drive to Success, the Ultimate Auto Finance Guide. It's packed with strategies to help you navigate the tricky world of auto financing, avoid costly mistakes, and get the best deal possible. Head over to Amazon and grab your copy today. Just search for Drive to Success, the Ultimate Auto Finance Guide, or use the link in our show notes. Take control of your car buying experience and drive away with confidence.